Vitamix 5 years ago, and they are the best quality blenders for me. So this is my favorite Vitamix blender that I use every single day, maybe 2 to 3 times a day, and it's a high-speed, really powerful blender. I use it for smoothies, for sauces, for pureed soups. This one is an older version, but I love it. It has all the things that I need. So it also has a really great lid to it. It's really secure without things ever exploding. It has this little thing you can take off, and if you need to stir, like say you have a thicker smoothie that has a bunch of frozen stuff in it, then you can put a spoon down here and kind of get the ingredients to the bottom. So I would recommend this to any home chef that is looking to get a little more creative with maybe blending up a new soup or creating a nut milk or almond milk, or just simply for your everyday smoothie or protein shake.